Here are 7 things that makes Tesla cars special. 1. Electric performance. Tesla vehicles offer impressive acceleration and top speeds thanks to their electric motors that deliver instant torque. 2. Range. They have longer driving ranges compared to many other electric cars, with some models exceeding 300 miles on a single charge. 3. Autopilot and full self-driving. Tesla's Autopilot offers advanced driver assistance features, and they are continually working on full self-driving capabilities. 4. Innovative technology. Tesla cars come with advanced technology like over-the-air software updates, a large touchscreen interface, and an extensive suite of sensors for safety and convenience. 5. Supercharger network. Tesla has built a vast network of supercharger stations globally, making long-distance travel more feasible for electric car owners. 6. Safety. Tesla cars are known for their high safety ratings, featuring a strong structure, advanced driver assistance systems, and active safety features. 7. Design. With sleek and modern designs, Tesla cars stand out on the road, appealing to both tech enthusiasts and those looking for a stylish ride.